Nimitz Vikings, I'm Judith.
And allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Eric, and welcome to Viking View. Today is National Navy Day, so we hope you wore Navy in support of Nimitz Vikings. What's for lunch?
Well, Eric, for today's lunch we have chicken sticks, fish sandwich, and chicken salad.
That doesn't sound too bad. Can we get an update on the weather?
For your weather, it would be partly cloudy with a high of 84 and a low of 66 with a 0% chance of precipitation. And now back to Eric and Judith.
Thanks for the weather, James. Hey, Nimitz Nation, we are collecting new and used baby clothes to be used to stock our baby clothes closet. Come by room 150 to drop off any items that you can donate. If you're in need of baby clothes yourself, come to room 150 and take a look and see if we have anything that you would like and could use. Teachers and staff, if you could donate and use items, we would gladly accept them as well. Thanks, Nimitz. Together we can make a difference and help others.
Yes, we can. Teachers, Irving ISD principals, coaches, staff, and PTA presidents, Jam the Gym is back. Register your school or department teams now. The deadline is Friday, October 31st. Now is the time to start forming your volleyball team for the second annual Jam the Gym Co-Ed Volleyball Tournament. There will be a $25 entry fee per team. We need a team commitment from each group no later than Friday, October 31st. We do not need team rosters by that date, just a commitment that your school or department wants to participate.
You may remember the events of the Red Ribbon Week from elementary school. Red Ribbon Week was that you wore during the week the bookmark contest, people coming into your class for presentations. We would like to remind you about the history of why we celebrate Red Ribbon Week. On February 7, 1985, Enrique Camarena, a drug enforcement administrator, DEA special agent Kiki, was about to enter his truck. 5 men approached and shoved him into a car and speeded away. That was the last time Kiki was ever alive.
Kiki's body was found 1 month later in a shallow grave 70 miles away. He had been beaten, brutally murdered, and shortly after Kiki's death, Congressman Duncan Hunter and Kiki's high school friend Henry Lozano launched the Camarena Club in Kiki's hometown of Calixto, California. Hundreds of club members pledged to live drug-free lives to honor the sacrifice of Kiki. In 1988, the National Family Partnership coordinated the first National Red Ribbon Week, with President and Mrs. Reagan serving as honorary chairpersons. Since then, 80 million people participate in Red Ribbon activities each year.
Wow, I never knew that, Eric. So interesting to know that.
Yeah.
To honor this day, we would have an outline of things to wear throughout this week. Monday, stomp out drugs and wear Western wear and boots. Tuesday, lay off drugs, wear Hawaiian shirts or anything Hawaiian tropical themed. Wednesday, friends don't let friends do drugs, so come as a twin. Thursday, stay in the game, play drug-free, wear your favorite team shirt. Friday, be smart, don't use drugs, dress like a nerd.
I'm kind of excited for the Twin Day.
Me too, and also the nerd.
Yeah,
right?
that sounds great.
That sounds really fun.
Hey seniors, you may now purchase your senior ads for the 2015 Valhalla Yearbook. Please note a 50% deposit can be made on full and half page only. The first deposit is due by Friday, December 19th, 2014, and the second deposit is due by Friday, March 27th of next year. All other ads must be paid in full December 19th. For more information or pick up a senior ad package, see Miss Blue in room 128.
Prestige Portraits will be on campus for Senior Picture Days on Thursday, October 30th and Friday, October 31st in the school auditorium. Ladies, please wear a tank top under your clothes and Senior Picture Day so you can easily change into the drape or cap and gown. Gentlemen, please wear a non-colored t-shirt allowed under your clothes and Senior Picture Day so you can easily change to a tux or your cap and gown. Pictures will be taken during all senior English classes. Seniors who do not have English may take pictures during a time that is available for you on both days. For more information, please see Mrs. Blue in room 128. Seniors, if you are unable to order your graduation announcements and cap and gown during lunches on Tuesday and Wednesday, do not despair. You can either order online and a credit card at www.jostens.com, or Jostens representatives will return to the Nimitz campus during all lunches on November 18th. Put that date on your calendar now.
What's up, Nimitz Nation? Teen Read Week was postponed last week due to testing and other events. So we will have our literary celebrations this week. Today we will start off with our literary trivia. In the book The Fault in Our Stars by John Green, how do Hazel and Augustus first meet? Tweet us your answer to at Nimitz Library. First correct tweet wins.
Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the, no. Here comes the, oh. Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the, no. Here comes the, oh. Here Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah, here comes the, no, here comes the, oh, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah, here comes the, no, here comes the, oh, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah, here comes the, no, here comes the, oh, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah, here comes the, no, here comes the, oh, here comes the, y'all don't really want it. Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah, here comes the, no, here comes the, oh, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah, here comes the, no, here comes the, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah, here comes the, no, here comes the, oh, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah, here comes the, no, here comes the, oh, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah, here comes the, no, here comes the, oh, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah, here comes the, no, here comes the, oh, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah, here comes the, no, here comes the, oh, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah, here comes the, no, here comes the, oh, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah, here comes the, no, here comes the, oh, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah, here comes the.
Do you have a younger sister, cousin, or friend? Are they in kindergarten throughout 8th grade? Do they like dancing? Register them to be a mini VICA. You can make up a flyer and registration for Mrs. Oliver at the front representation desk. The mini VICA camp will be Saturday, December the 6th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Mini VICAs involved will perform at the Viking Spring Show in April 2015. The cost of registration is $35, but if you pay before October the 31st, the cost is only $25. Payment and registration forms due at Mrs. Landtroop by November 21st. Grab a registration form by Mrs. Oliver today.
I feel like my sister would love that.
I know, mine would also. Well, that's it for today, Nimitz. We hope you have a great day.
And now, please stand for the pledges.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Under the Texas flag, I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
And now for a moment of silence.